Day 4, let's get started. This is much tougher than I ever anticipated. I thought, oh, bench press every day. Which guy does not like to just bench press? But like I said, this is much tougher than I ever imagined it would be. Today I went for some incline. Incline, I'm much weaker at incline bench pressing than flat bench press. Probably because I hardly ever do incline. But still, you gotta get the upper chest going as well. As always, start off with a warm-up and work your way up to heavier weights. Incline, probably my 1 rep max would probably be 75 kilograms, but you have to get it stronger. If you enjoy watching some high intensity interval training, I did some at the end of this training session. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video to watch some of that high intensity interval training, and also what I do to keep my back strong as well. You can't just work on your chest and not get your back stronger as well. Day 4, it was really tough. I'm busy with another challenge. It's where I only eat meat, no carbohydrates, so it's very tough. I don't have the energy I usually have. Carbohydrates, as we know, gives you energy, but I'm pushing through it. Almost done with the carnivore challenge. You guys will see the video for that coming out shortly. And then also I'm still in a caloric deficit because I have some stubborn belly fat that I still need to cut down. So as soon as I'm going into a caloric surplus, then I might be able to actually push some proper weights. But yes, this is just me sharing my journey, and stick around to the end to see some awesome high intensity interval training. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.